Saw the rain and cold wind blow. Saw you today and yesterday too. Your sweater was big and your eyes were blue. Your eyes were blue. I come over today, but I begin to choke. My meat had spoiled, my refrigerator broke. Ruined some food that I used to like, so I called the mechanic. Refrigerator Mike. Refrigerator Mike. Refrigerator Mike. No, Mike is gone and he left too soon. It's like he was gone before he entered the room. Rushed on over and inspected the beast. Looked at the motor and he was not pleased. He was not pleased. Was not pleased. He said it's warm out here, but it's also warm in there. He got inside and he drank all my beer. He drank all of my beer. Had rushed inside my head. I was beginning to wish I was dead. Took a nap and rest I didn't keep, and I had the strangest dream when I did sleep. And I did sleep. And I did sleep. No, my kid is gone and he left too soon. Like he was gone before he entered the room. Switches, gold diamond rings, and untold riches. Mountains of rain, the sky and the air, and it's beginning to seem people don't care. Just don't care. you're taking away, yeah, 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 taking away. Don't you take it away, no, no, take it away. Don't you take it away, no, no, don't you take it away. Turn of events, changes affecting the feelings you hold. You feel you should care, but your love goes cold. You fight to decipher the good from the bad. You fondly recall the memories you had. It's been said love is a selfish emotion.